So this is the question number 6 of exercise 6.3. As you can see over here, here is two triangle are given. Triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD. So how we can prove? So first we will write our given, that what is given to us. So here we are drawing the figure. One triangle is A, B and E. So here if we are drawing triangle A, B and that E, and that is exactly congruent to ACD. So that is exactly congruent to this ACD. So here I am drawing another figure, and that will be A, here will be C and here will be B. So from this what we can see over here? So we have drawn two figures and they give these two figure as congruent. So by congruency rule, what we can write over here? So if these two figure are congruent, we can write this angle A is equals to that angle A. So we can write that angle A is equals to angle A. Another thing that we can write from this figure is angle B is equals to angle D. So here let us write that angle B is equals to. So now here angle B is equals to angle C, not D. So here we will write is equals to angle, and here angle E will be equals to angle D. So here we are writing angle E is equals to angle D. So here we wrote three things. Now another thing, three things we can write, that this AB, side AB, is exactly equals to that side AC. Here we are writing three parts of side, that AB is equals to that AC. Then we can write this BE is equals to DC. So here we will write BE, side BE is equals to DC. And the third side that we can write is that AE is equals to AD. So here we can write that AE is equals to AD. So here we have written all the 6 parts of these two congruent triangles, and this thing is given to us. So this is our given. Now here what we can do, that is we have to prove. What we have to prove? So we have to prove these two triangles as similar, not congruent. So here we have to draw to another figure. These two figures we have drawn for our given purpose. Whatever is given that we have written. Now we have to talk about triangle ADE, means this small triangle. So I am drawing it. That is triangle ADE. And that is similar to triangle ABC. That we have to prove. We have to prove these two triangles as similar, and name of the another triangle is A, B and C. It means if we have to prove these two triangles as similar, what we can do is that if we are proving the ratios of this side, let us denote with different color. If we are proving this AD by this AB, and if we are proving this AE by AC, and they having angle A as common, so if we are proving this ratio same and we having one common angle, so by rule of side angle side we can prove these two triangles similar. So here we are beginning our process, that how to prove this. So you just see over here, we will use our given condition. If we want AD by AB, so AD is over here and AB is over there. So if we are using these two conditions, we can get ratio whatever we want. So if we are using AB is equals to AC, so how we can write that? We can write AB is equals to AC. If we are taking that AC down, so it will looking like AB by AC. So nothing will over there, so it will be equals to 1, and that is our condition number 1. So here we wrote our condition number 1. Now we will use this as second thing, whatever is in given. So if we are using AE is equals to AD, so AE is equals to AD. And if we are taking this AE down, it will looking like 1 is equals to AD, and this AE is coming down, and that is our condition number 2. So here what we can see from condition 1 and condition 2, this one is equals to this one, so we can directly write this AB by AC is equals to AD by AE. So let us compare equation 1 and 2. So here somewhere we will write compare 1 and 2. So here I am writing compare. So if you are comparing this equation 1 and this equation 2, you can write AB by AC is equals to, so here I am writing AB by AC is equals to that AD by AE. But here as we can see in figure, what we want this AD by this AB. So on below AD we want, so we will shift AB down and AE up, so we can write it as AE will goes up and it will looking like AE by AC is as it is at its place, AD is at its place, but AB will come down, so down we will write AB. So now this condition we want, and we got this AD by this AB and this AE by this AC, and angle A is common. So this is our condition number 3. So let us give it name as 3. So here from condition 3 and that common angle, the name of the angle will be DAE and BAC. So here we are writing that here DAE is exactly equals or similar, we can write angle to BAC. So from condition number 3, and if we are giving it as number 4, so from condition 3 and condition 4, we can write two triangles similar. Which two triangles? So triangle, so here we will see in order to prove that which two triangle we want. So from this AD is similar to ABC. How we wrote this? So from the criteria side angle side we wrote this. So this is the end of this question. How to write this? That I am showing you. From there you have to write all these things. But for understanding purpose, we have drawn these two figures. That which sides ratio we want and which angle we want. So we have drawn it separately. If you want to, you can draw it. So here as you can see, now you will see further on that how to write it.